So we're going to be looking at a couple changes to the Asana Salesforce connector. So Asana just pushed out their latest update, version 1.8, that now allows us to kick off time-based projects. So it's a minor change, but can add a lot of value for organizations that need to kick off projects with a certain start date. If they've got templates that they're cloning and they want to go ahead and set those start and end dates automatically. So I'm using a opportunity here. So I'm going to show an example of how to use this with Sales Cloud. Pretty simple here. When an opportunity reaches closed won, we are going to fire our flow, and then we want to create the project in Asana and clone all the tasks. So let's first go over to Flow Builder and check out the new Apex action that they've added, or the variable that they've added in there. So if I go in here, I can now see within this Apex action that they've added this criteria. So schedule task is start date, schedule task, schedule date, schedule task, schedule on weekends. So I am saying that the schedule date is my start date. That's the way I've set this up. You can see global constant true. And then I'm using my opportunity close date as the schedule date for all the tasks. And I left the schedule on weekends marked as true because I want to go ahead and schedule my tasks through the weekend. So that's a small change I made to the flow. We have a process builder that then kicks off this flow. Asana has that pretty well documented. I'll include that in the description on how to set that up. But this is our flow. This is active, ready to go. And if I go into opportunities and I switch this to close one, oops. I can now see I have a new project here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this project. Let's go to list. I can see that the start date is today. This had cloned one of our templates that we have set up already, and you can see that it automatically set the dates for all of the other tasks, which is what we wanted. So previously we could get our template to get cloned with the out-of-the-box connector, but it was leaving all the dates as the retroactive dates on the template. It wasn't dynamically assigning the due dates. So it's a simple change that Asana just pushed out to their connector. We gave them that feedback pretty early, and they worked on it quickly, which is a good sign. If you have any questions on some of the other things that you can do with the connector, feel free to drop us a question at training@growwithcs. Thank you.